Hello guys, welcome to my second YouTube video. In this video I will be showing you a fidget spinner that I bought from Amazon for 139 rupees. I am a Prime member, so delivery charges are not applicable. As you can see, the price noted here is 199, but I got this for 139. Let's see what's inside. You get a good packaging. The fidget spinner is inside a plastic case. Now, the build quality is decent for the price you pay. 139 rupees is not much. As you can see, these parts are also rotatable. These are rotating, and it feels sturdy. Let's see how long it spins. I will give the link in the description. Which fidget spinner I bought from Amazon. There are a bunch of fidget spinners, but people are looking for cheap and good ones. So this is the one that I got from Amazon. This is good. It is spinning. I have tested it earlier. It spin for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, more than 2 minutes, I guess. Yes. And the sound is also not that much. If you listen, I have listened the sound by keeping a fidget spinner close to my ears, but the sound is not that much. It won't irritate people. It is good. And the friction, I guess, is not that much. That is why it is spinning for so long. Let's see until it stops. How much time does it take? And sorry for the video quality, guys. I'm shooting this video from my phone, so video quality would not be that great. And this is only my second video, so support me, guys. I will be reviewing stuff that I'm buying, or I will buy in future, or I will also post some videos for the stuff that I have purchased earlier. So I guess it's spun for almost 2 minutes now. Yeah, it is good quality, I guess. The color that you can get is black or red. They are mentioning that you can either get a black color or a red color. So I got a red color, but I was expecting a black color. No issues, no problem with that. I can carry these easily in my pocket. It is not that much heavy, almost 40 to 50 grams. No, not that much, I would say. Let's see what is the weight in the package. It is not mentioned actually, so I can't tell you the weight exactly. But according to me, it is 30 to 40 grams. Yes, not that heavy. You can carry this easily. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to my channel. I'm new on YouTube. If you will support me, I will be able to review more stuffs like this. These are budget things that every common Indian should have. People are looking for these stuffs, and I will review only those stuffs, as I'm also a common Indian. Give a thumbs up to the video and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks. Signing off.